Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Telegram privacy settings and authorized sessions removal, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Telegram app. Locate the settings icon in the bottom right corner of the main screen. Tap on the settings icon to access your account settings. Scroll down to the privacy and security section. Select privacy and security to view the privacy settings. Find the option for active sessions and tap on it. This section displays all sessions where your account is currently logged in. Review the list to identify any sessions you want to remove. To terminate an active session, tap on the session you wish to end. A prompt will appear confirming your decision to log out of that session. Confirm the action by tapping Terminate or Log Out. Return to the Privacy and Security section. Now, locate the Data Settings option at the bottom of the Privacy menu. Tap on Data Settings to manage your data preferences. Here, adjust visibility settings for your profile photo, phone number, and last seen status. Select who can see your phone number from the available options. Choose from Everyone, My Contacts, or Nobody. Do the same for the profile photo and last seen settings to enhance your privacy. Return to the main settings menu once you've adjusted the options. Double-check all your selections to ensure they meet your privacy needs. Your privacy settings and authorized sessions are now updated. You have successfully authorized Telegram privacy settings and removed authorized sessions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.